Welcome to my channel. Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi Router. Unboxing and setup. Unbox the eero router and organize components. Plug in the eero router and connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Download eero app. Install the eero app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Create eero account. Open the app and create an eero account if you don't have one. Add your eero router. Open the eero app and tap on Get Started. Follow the prompts to add your eero device. Ensure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network named eero. Set up your network. The app will automatically detect your internet connection type, DHCP or PPPoE, and guide you through the setup process. Wi-Fi network setup. Customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password in the eero app under Network Settings. Test connections. Connect your devices, phones, laptops, tablets, to the eero Wi-Fi network and ensure they can access the internet. Thank you for watching.